What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and I'm going to be changing the closure that's on this wig. You can see how that closure is balding, and I'm going to be using the new technique that I've seen people doing to help me change this closure. And just to let you guys know, I am no longer Nettie's Hair Teak. I am now Brooklyn Wig Collection. I did have to start my business from scratch. So I know I've been going a little while, but this is what it is now. My website is also open. I'll leave all the details down in the description. So I'm going to take my clippers and I'm going to shave off the hair that is on this old closure. This is the method that I've seen people doing, and y'all, if you haven't tried this already, I suggest you go ahead and do, because it is completely foolproof. It took me no time to change this closure. All you do is just shave the hair off and then just put the new closure in place. So I have my new closure here, and I already bleached the knots, and I'm just going to pin it in place, and then I'm going to sew it down. And I do offer this service on my website. It's under the Wig Revive. That's pretty much the maintenance. You can send your wig in for maintenance, and you can opt in for a closure replacement if you need one. And for my Wig Revive service, the wigs do not have to be made by me. You can send in any of your wigs that you have. The only service that I do have that is my yearly unlimited Revive service, where you can send in your wigs to me anytime for a full year, and I will maintenance them for you. That has to be made by me. Alright, so I have this closure sewed down, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is just cut the old lace from underneath. So I'm going to add a money piece to this unit. I'm just going to take a small piece in the front and bleach it. And then I want to lighten the color a little bit to like a dark chocolate brown. So after I do the money piece, I'm going to take some 30 volume developer. I'm going to dampen the wig, and I'm going to put the developer on the rest of the wig. So what's up, y'all? How y'all been doing? I know I've been gone for a long time. Like I said, I had to pretty much just end my last business and start from scratch. So I've been doing that, plus other things. I had to move, and so much stuff has been going on in the last few months. So pretty much the last year, this year is done. We're about to go into the new year. So Brooklyn Wig Collection is my new company, and it's a LLC. I opened up my website. I actually just opened up my website. So I'm taking custom orders, and I'm also taking maintenance orders, because I know a lot of my customers have been contacting me, especially regarding maintenance. So I wanted to hurry up and get that on, so you guys can start sending your wigs in for maintenance. So I'm just putting that 30 volume developer all over the wig. Like I said, I did dampen the wig. It makes it easier to get the product through, and plus it won't lighten the hair too much, because I didn't want it a light brown. I wanted it to be a dark brown. And then I'm going to let that sit for 30 minutes. And then I'm going to just let this wig completely air dry. I'm not going to put any product in it. And then I'm just going to style it. So like I was saying, my custom orders are open. I also have pre-made wigs available. This time around, I added pre-made wigs to my site. I'm going to have those on hand for fast turnaround times. And yeah, that's going to be available. You can get the made in your size as well. And I'm not doing this full time anymore. I'm working a full-time job. So I am investing a lot of hours in the business, but it's going to be more of a part-time thing for now. The turnaround times for my custom wigs are still the same. And I wanted to add that the pre-made wigs, which my vendor makes for me, and I just customize them. But they're really good. I'm gonna make a video showing you guys my pre-made wigs. They are all 180% density, but it's made with like luxury hair, like top-notch hair, and it's constructed really well. It comes with elastic band and combs, and you can just let me know how you want to style it, and then I style it, and then I can get that out within just a couple days. So I'm just going to customize the new closure, do some plucking. My technique is pretty much still the same. It hasn't changed. Honestly, I haven't been customizing wigs in so long. So I am so happy to just get back into the groove. I really miss doing hair. I miss customizing. I miss sewing. I haven't even gotten my sewing machine out of my storage unit yet. I'm going to be doing that soon. So yeah, my website is open. Go on there, place your orders. I'm back in business. And I'm running a sale right now, which is pretty much gonna go into Black Friday. I think I'm gonna I put it as like my grand opening, but since I opened, because I planned on opening like a couple months ago, but it didn't happen. So like Black Friday and everything is like right here on us. So I think I'm gonna just run my sale straight through. I also have a couple of ready to ship wigs that I'm gonna put on the site. I'm gonna try to get that up within like the next couple days. I wanted to have it ready for when I had launched the site, but you know, one thing about getting your business together and launching your site is that you just got to do it. You know, sometimes we just waiting around like trying to get everything perfect, and it will just never ever be perfect. It's just launch it, get it done, and then, you know, just add your stuff and tweak it as you go. So I'm just gonna customize those wigs. One of them is a 613 wig, and the other one is just a regular black wig. They're both gonna be like bob wig cuts. So I'm gonna finish customizing this wig. I'm going to add some baby hairs on it. My baby hairs didn't stay the way that I wanted to, but it was okay. This is my wig, so I just fixed them while it was on my head. Otherwise than that, the wig came out really, really pretty. I was just happy to be customizing and doing hair. So I am going to wrap it up. I'm going to finish styling. I'll do some wand curls in the hair, and then you can stick around and see how it came out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and my longtime watchers, I appreciate you guys for sticking around. All of my customers, I appreciate you guys as well. A lot of you guys signed up to my new email list, so I'm really happy about that. I'm going to put my website and my Instagram page names, my website and my Instagram page name in the description, so you guys can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. If you're interested in a custom wig, you can go to my website and put in an order, sign up to the email list. And I want to thank you guys again. I appreciate you so much, and I will be back with another video.